Oh, hello. I wanted to provide a quick update on Tesla. So I'll start off with the weekly pattern. Now, obviously, the weekly pattern is still negative with series of lower highs, but I want to focus on this area to see, whether or not there is any kind of positive development going on. Now, on a weekly basis, you'll see that this was the previous low right here. And then not the week before, it traded below this level, but didn't close. It managed to close above this level, so which I thought was positive. I mean, if it had closed underneath and then established a lower high, that would have been negative, in which case, the target would have been to this level. But that didn't happen. Tesla was able to close above this level, and this week it remained above this level. So I'm looking to see whether or not this could potentially end up being a double bottom. If Tesla does this, rallies and then establishes a weekly higher low, then this pattern will look much more constructive. But we're not there yet. If I look at the momentum indicators, RSI is still below the 50 level, and MACD remains below the zero line. So but I can see some improvement in RSI. For RSI to, if RSI were to go move above the 50 level, that would definitely be positive. So I think I wouldn't rule out something positive developing from this. So, but we'll have to wait and see. Let's look at the daily pattern just to see whether what we can learn from it. Now, on a daily time frame, I'm beginning to see something constructive. So, if we look at the 4-hour chart, you'll see what I mean by that. On a 4-hour chart, you'll see that there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and then this is the right shoulder. And this is the neckline right here. So if Tesla is able to get through this level, I think it can close the gap right here. The top end of the gap is around 180. On a 4-hour basis, I can see that the momentum indicators are moving higher. You can see RSI has moved back above 50 level for the first time since falling below this level right here. This is early April, and since then you can see when that happened, you can see weak price action. But now I'm beginning to see, a higher low right here. Since forming this low, you can see on a 4-hour basis and higher low. So I think there's an opportunity for Tesla to fill the gap. 180 would be the target, and then if it makes a shallow pullback and then does that, then this structure will start to look better. So if I just go back to the daily basis, there is an opportunity for Tesla, the daily chart to turn positive. Daily RSI hasn't moved back above the 50 level. So that's the next thing that I would like to see if, the pattern starts to become constructive. And RSI looks like it's, crossing, but I want to see MACD is crossing. I want to see MACD get back above the zero line. But I'm beginning to see some positive development here. So the gap fill is my first objective. And once that happens, I want to see what the price action is, and then see whether or not it can break through this level. So I'll leave it at this. Thank you very much. You can follow me on Twitter. I provide update during market hours. So the link is in the description. If I see any trading opportunities on Tesla, I certainly is going to tweet out. Other than that, I will see you in a future video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much for watching the video.